What up, y'all? Commander here. How's it going, man? Yet another reaction video for Pewdiepie. We are catching up on these reactions here. So many videos I have not even seen lately because I've just been so busy doing shit, man. I'm busy doing the live stream too. And I've done 2 10-hour live streams consecutively, and I'm about ready to start another one right now. But anyway, let's watch this one. Here we go.
From somewhere, deep within the vastness of YouTube, a man cometh.
The hell?
Who the fuck is that?
Hear ye, hear ye. This message coming from the House of YouTube is intended for the Right Honorable Felix Arvid of Selberg, also known as Pewdiepie. We wish to express our deepest, most profound apology for the delay of your Diamond Play Button award. It was not our wish to displease you or your formidable bro army. This is why we have provided you with your horse and glitter. And now, for your Diamond Play Button.
Finally. It's about damn time. The legends were true. It exists. Oh my. So heavy. Yeah. My precious. Cinnamon Toast Cake. You son of a bitch. How dare you show your face around these parts?
I'm here to claim what's mine. The Diamond Play Button.
He's gonna ride a real fucking horse, isn't he? Oh. What the fuck?
Get back here, Ken, you son of a bitch! That's my play button! No! How could this happen? YouTube, I have one last wish. Give me another play button, and I will forgive your sins. Oh! Yeah!
That was a little wacky, I gotta say. But that was pretty good. Shit. So it looks like PewDiePie's got his Diamond Play Button. Must be nice. Someday I'd like to have the Silver Play Button. Would be cool. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna play me some GTA 5. I'm ready to go do that. I was going to work today, but it got called off. This time I didn't call it off, so so we're playing some GTA 5. And I work tomorrow. Alright, y'all. Give me a thumbs up on this if you would, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see y'all later, and peace out.